Alumio provides a cloud-based, no-code integration platform to create fast, flexible, and future-proof integrations and allows you to adjust them yourself via its easy-to-use interface. For Akeneo to ChannelEngine, an integration template designed by an Alumio partner can be used in order to really kickstart your integration. It connects all the needed data from Akeneo and pushes it to ChannelEngine's API in the desired format. It includes data routes for base products, product extra data, stock, and languages within the delivered mappings. It basically connects all Akeneo product entities to ChannelEngine's standard, since the ChannelEngine structure is rather flat. The integration template also includes the mapping of product images, which we need to make publicly available, and for which an add-on module for Akeneo can be found, as you can see used in this example. With the current demand for digitalization, you'll probably need to integrate with other systems or customers in the near future as well. And that's why we'd first like to introduce Alumio and how our integration platform works. Our partner will then give you an in-depth demo of integrating the two systems using an integration template, which you can skip to by clicking on the timestamp in this video. And we will conclude by explaining to you the necessary installation steps and our pricing model. With 20 years of experience integrating complex ERPs to PIM, iPaaS, e-commerce, and marketing systems, we learned the hard way what a nightmare it can be to create point-to-point integrations using custom code. We experienced that these integrations were hard to reuse, could only be created and managed by senior developers, and had no logging or monitoring. The only other alternative was to use marketplace plugins, which came with a fixed set of limited features and increased third-party dependency for creating integrations. So, we decided to use our extensive experience to build the Alumio cloud-based integration platform, which allows you to create or modify integrations yourself via an easy-to-use interface. You can use Alumio to create data mappings and use its features in order to add logic to your integration. You can also use Alumio's iPaaS to integrate with more software, databases, APIs, SOAP, or connect to files to digitize your customers or suppliers via XML or EDI. To help companies avoid getting bogged down with tangled IT landscapes, Alumio's no-code integration platform organizes all your integrations in one central hub. Alumio also offers detailed monitoring and logging features that allow you to detect and resolve integration errors. And it ensures your integrations are secure, compliant, and that you are in full control of your data. As a leading solution for creating integrations, Alumio's partners build pre-mapped configurations as integration templates to kickstart your integrations. This integration template delivers pre-mapped data routes and pushes it to the connected system. As we mentioned at the start, we will now share a functional demo of creating integrations using this integration template. Alumio connects with the API of Akeneo to have all the data. The transformers remaps the data to the format of ChannelEngine and pushes the data to the API of ChannelEngine. You can also use the transformers and configurations from the integration template and then change it in the Alumio user interface according to your desired format. The Alumio integration template for Akeneo to ChannelEngine includes data routes for base products. It connects all Akeneo product entities to ChannelEngine standard, since the ChannelEngine structure is rather flat. The integration template also includes data routes for product extra data, product images, which we need to make publicly available, and for which we offer an add-on module for Akeneo, as you can see used in this example. There's a data route for stock, of course, and languages. Now let's take a look at the route for products. Within this route for products, we see the incoming products from Akeneo sent to ChannelEngine. The products from Akeneo are sent to ChannelEngine's separate sales channel to ensure the data can be managed in ChannelEngine. The outgoing connection communicates with the API from ChannelEngine, we have a base transformer. The base transformer ensures the communication of the basic elements from the Akeneo products, such as product name, product description, and EAN. And these basic elements, which are always available for products, are mapped in this base transformer. Here we have the URL of shopware that is needed to be available in ChannelEngine as a destination URL. This add-on feature is created because the customer in this example also has shopware. The feature automatically gets the correct URL from shopware by sending a query to shopware based on an SKU. And it receives the URL of the shop so ChannelEngine knows where to put certain product links. Here we see the Akeneo to ChannelEngine translation transformer, which grabs all the text properties of ChannelEngine from translatable text fields. Data that is translated in Akeneo as a text field will be collected here and can be appointed to various extra data nodes or the default product name in different languages. To get product images, as mentioned before, we've installed this add-on feature in Akeneo. It works as an API and allows you to send an SKU to the connected API to receive all images that we need to send to ChannelEngine as publicly available images using the add-on feature. Here you see a custom-built transformer, which is not part of the integration template. And this is one of the great things about using Alumio. It gives you the flexibility to add custom transformations for specific customers, as you can see in this example. You can use the transformer called getBranchesFromResult to filter the data so only the useful data is sent to ChannelEngine. And then there's our base transformer. The base transformer helps copy the identifier to the merchant product number, but you could also get the desired field from Akeneo. In this case, a set brand and VAT rate is added to the result, which could depend on the Akeneo fields, but in this case we've added fixed values. The primary color is set because ChannelEngine sees this as fixed data, and the price is set by a field from Akeneo, in this case by the field called Price Retail Actual. We make sure a float is sent, regardless, to complete the process properly, and there is also a number that is sent. The EAN of the product is set from the product EAN attribute in Akeneo. The stock available is set to the stock. After this, the stock is checked to make sure it isn't a negative number, since ChannelEngine cannot process negative numbers. In case it is a minus number, we transform this into a 0. And then we have the basic information present within ChannelEngine. And that's how the product route from Akeneo to ChannelEngine works. We also have the order route, which is actually pretty simple. In this case, the orders are connected to the ERP exact, but with Alumio, it's just as easy to send the order to any ERP. The orders from ChannelEngine are connected to the Alumio data scheme, which can easily be mapped to any desired format. In this case, we created a ChannelEngine node, connected all the data, and mapped it to be in the desired format to have a working route. And that's it for our functional demo of integrating Akeneo to ChannelEngine using Alumio's integration template. If you're interested in experiencing the ease of creating integrations with Alumio, here's all you have to do. First, sign up for Alumio's iPaaS via Alumio's website or your partners. After your iPaaS is delivered, configure and create mappings to implement your integration. You can now use Alumio's user-friendly interface to modify the integration according to your business needs, as shown in the demo. And by continuing to use Alumio's iPaaS, your business is ready for digital growth by adding more systems and software. To learn more about how to use Alumio's features to improve your integrations, our support portal provides detailed videos and lots of tutorials on working with the Alumio user interface. Working with Alumio only needs you to have knowledge of data structures, the ability to read XML or JSON files, and a love for working with user interfaces. You can also request workshops to have us help you build your integrations. And you can always get in touch with our support team for any queries. In order to access our integration platform, you can subscribe to one of our plans. Both versions enable you to use integration templates for setting up faster integrations. The platform helps users quickly add new software, get notified of errors, have all connections centralized in one place, and reduce your total cost of ownership. The shared solution is great for when you're starting your first integration and want to run it via a partner instead of by yourself. The partner can use all Alumio integration tools and access our dashboard and logging on your behalf. Your iPaaS runs on shared power. You can always upgrade to the dedicated edition when you want to manage and modify integrations yourself or are ready to upscale in the future. The biggest difference with the dedicated edition is that it allows you to access Alumio's integration features and monitoring dashboard in order to create or change integrations and to fix hiccups yourself. This version also includes dedicated cloud space and power for your integrations. For connecting two systems, you need the Professional Edition, which includes 8 integration routes. If you want to connect 4 systems, for example ERP, e-commerce, PIM, and CRM, and have unlimited data integrations, you will need the Business Edition. And to connect 10 systems or more, you need the Premium Edition or a custom setup, which is provided as an Enterprise Edition. Our prices can be found on our website and are simple to understand, transparent, and predictable. The shared solution can only be ordered via Alumio's partners and is more competitively priced than the dedicated edition. Onboarding workshops can be offered via Alumio or our partners, and if you would like to have your complete project run by a partner, you can find Alumio partners on our website or simply get in touch with us to connect you to one. We look forward to you joining our prestigious family of customers for whom we proudly create future-proof integrations.